Hello everyone! Guys, this Python script automatically creates a Microsoft Fabric data flow using REST APIs. First, it sets the workspace details and data flow name configuration. Then it generates unique query IDs using UUID for internal tracking. The main ETL logic is written in Power Query M language inside the mashup section. It connects to SQL Server and extracts data from the accounts table. After loading data, it performs filtering, sorting, column selection, and derived column transformations. Two different queries are created with separate output datasets. Next, the script converts mashup and metadata into base64 encoded format. It authenticates with Microsoft Fabric using an access token. Finally, the script sends a REST API request to deploy the data flow automatically into Fabric Workspace. Now I will run this.